What is going on, fellas? Lucid FX here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the market for the week of December 8th, second week in December. So we can expect some expansion. Last week, we're going to kind of go over it, but last week we had a lot of movement, a lot of volatility, high-ranged week, but it kind of seemed to be sort of a manipulative week. They kind of took out lows, so I'm expecting sort of a reversal kind of week for this week, but let's just take a look at our news events, see what we have. So for Aussie, we have RBA government low speaks. Not expecting a whole lot considering it's a Monday, and it's just one single high impact. Tuesday, nothing high impact. Now Wednesday, we have our FOMC. We'll see. It's kind of FOMC lately has kind of been a hit or miss. Not a whole lot of volatility. We'll see. We'll see if that changes this week. We'll just have to see what the market gives us by that time. Thursday, we have quite a few events. Euro, Chief, GBP, expecting quite a bit of volatility there as well. So we're gonna kind of be looking for the volatility to be in the later half of the week. Friday, we have some more USD high impacts. So we'll probably want to be patient in the early half of the week. Let it set up for the remainder of the week in the high impacts. So with that being said, let's just hop right into the charts. I already have them all marked out from my analysis earlier, but here's what I have. So on the dollar index, I marked in my Discord that we're watching this low. We were about right here, and I said that I want to see how we react once we get under this low. And we had non-farm on Friday, and it sent it higher. So basically, what I'm going to be doing here. Hold on, let me grab my tools. So basically what I'm going to be doing is watching early week to see if we either come down lower towards the low and completely retrace this move, or if we consolidate and kind of form a base, and then with the news event we maybe manipulate a low, and then we could target this FVG fill or even these two highs here. So we're just going to have to be patient, wait early week like I said earlier. It will be possible for us to head towards these lows in Euro. This and Euro, they kind of look a bit different. Euro's kind of making me nervous. I kind of see it possibly having a little more upside. But again, we're just going to have to wait for that Monday and Tuesday to play out and see what Wednesday brings us. So let's just hop into fiber now. Alright, so this is why fiber's kind of making me a bit nervous. So this isn't really what you want to see when price moves above highs. You kind of just want to see one move above and then a nice little reversal pattern, but this is just kind of ugly and it's not really too convincing for a reversal to head for these lows. And we also have a swing low right here. It's a little more defined on the hourly. Let's actually check that shit out. So we moved above or moved below it aggressively, and again we're just gonna want to see how price is going to react. Is it going to stabilize, or is it just going to continue down, or is it just going to head right? If we could head back up and regain this low, then I'll be looking for long positions, and we can target these the October and November highs that they left up here, which are clean and untapped. So we're going to want to see if we regain this level. If we can regain this level, then I'll be looking to maybe position a long and then look for it to go higher. Alright, so NZD, I had a big thread on Twitter that this was gonna explode, and I actually called it from like right here. This was gonna explode to the upside. You can go check that on Twitter if you like, and it did just that. And we have this level that we're watching. Really, I'm not seeing any potential positions to be taken right now. I'm gonna have to wait for a base to be formed before I personally am gonna take any positions and see some sort of manipulation, and then maybe take a position. But until then, I'm just chilling. We're gonna be watching this level because it's a breaker on the weekly and order block on the monthly. So this is a level that I'm gonna be looking for kind of a pause in the upside and maybe a nice little base formation of some sort. And again, you can check that out on Twitter. I actually caught a long from somewhere over here. And wrote it out till about up here. You can go check that out on Twitter. Also posted this on Twitter. We have a nice little trend line, and I don't usually trade trend lines, as you guys know, but this one was pretty cute. I liked it. So we have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4 reverse touch, and it actually broke back above and rejected off of it again. So again, just kind of see how early week plays off. We have a fair value gap. This is really inefficient up here, so we could potentially see a fill up to this level right here, and maybe see some short opportunities up there. But until then, I'm bullish on Swissy. GBP fiber. Also on Twitter, if you guys want to check it out, I called for massive upside below this low. Caught a nice long off of it, and we've just exploded the upside since. So we have a swing high here and a swing low here that got manipulated. This isn't really something you want to see. If it was going to manipulate this, it shouldn't have closed this nicely. So now this is going to be a support level for me. This isn't something that I think that they're going to manipulate. I think they'll use it. If it does come back down to this level, I'll probably be looking for some sort of low time frame low manipulation, and then resume into the upside. But again, I'm not really seeing much opportunity right now. Gonna have to let the early week play out Monday, Tuesday, and then see what Wednesday gives us. UCAD, and this is on the Discord if you want to go check it out. We called for upside right here. Actually, let's go check that out on the Discord right now. FX analysis. Okay, this is what we had for UCAD, calling for some upside, and we got just that. So now what I want to see is, again, how early week treats this pair. Do we just completely retrace this? I kind of want to see it. I kind of want to see some sort of like nice fast move down to about here, create a swing low. Here, let's grab my pen. Create a swing low, a nice defined swing low right here, and then come back, have a news event take us down to this level right here, and then that could be a nice long opportunity, and then we could continue to the upside possibly. So that's something I'm watching for UCAD. I really want to see these highs taken, because these are really untapped. Not really any manipulation unless you want to take this high into consideration, which really I'm not going to. But yeah, I really want to see this level here cleared, some sort of manipulation, and look for shorts there. JPY actually got stopped out on a position here. We had non-farm employment took me out. I had a short from like right here with my stop right here or something. Scam candled up into it, took my stop out, and then completely retraced. I'm basically looking for this low to be used. I want to see some sort of manipulation with this low to look for longs into this area here. So this area right here is where I'm going to be looking for longs, some sort of long setup. And we have an efficient price action here. So fair value gap fill would be about right there. A nice little swing high here. So we'd basically be looking for it to do something like this, some nature, come into here. Obviously not exactly like this, that's an ugly ass squiggly line, but you get what I'm saying. I wanted to fill this fair value gap and maybe even test this level right here. Alright. And I think that's it. I think that's all. No, we got Aussie. Alright, so Aussie, I'm just waiting. I'm patiently waiting. I'm gonna see which side it uses first. Does it come above here, manipulate this high, then resume lower? Because we gotta think we're in the second week of December, so we're still kind of setting up for that major push in the direction that it wants to for the month of December, the final month of the year. And then the month of December sets up well for January, which is the first month of the year. So we're just gonna want to be patient. I'm just gonna watch and see which side it uses first, and then target the opposite side. So with all that being said, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Again, just going to stay patient Monday, Tuesday, see what Wednesday gives us, and kind of position myself from there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a sub for more videos. Start doing my weekly analysis every week again, get back into the groove of things. But I appreciate you guys, and have a good day. Peace out.